machines be creative? Welcome to the world of autonomous technology, where innovation goes beyond precision and into the realm of artistry. From robots painting breathtaking masterpieces to drones revolutionizing delivery, these intelligent machines are pushing the limits of what's possible. In this video, we'll dive into how autonomous systems operate and reveal the stunning ways they're reshaping industries. Get ready to witness the perfect fusion of technology and creativity. This is the future, and it's more mesmerizing than you ever imagined. The evolution of autonomous machines. The journey of autonomous machines has been nothing short of remarkable. It all began with simple mechanical devices, but key milestones, like the invention of the programmable logic controller in the 1960s, set the stage for greater autonomy. Fast forward to today, and we see advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence enabling machines to perform tasks with incredible precision. Early machines, such as basic robotic arms, laid the groundwork for today's masterpieces, like self-driving cars and drones that can navigate complex environments. This evolution highlights not only technological advancements, but also the limitless potential of machines in our daily lives. Precision engineering, the heart of masterpieces. At the core of remarkable autonomous machines lies precision engineering, driven by robotics and artificial intelligence. These technologies enhance machine accuracy, allowing for intricate tasks that were once unimaginable. The choice of materials and thoughtful design play crucial roles in creating these masterpieces, ensuring durability and performance. For instance, CNC machines exemplify precision engineering in action, capable of cutting and shaping materials with micrometer accuracy. This level of detail not only elevates manufacturing standards, but also opens doors to innovative applications across various industries. As we explore these principles, we'll uncover how precision engineering shapes the future of technology. Creative applications of autonomous machines. Autonomous machines are not just about efficiency, they are also pushing the boundaries of creativity. Robotic painters, for example, are creating stunning artworks that blend technology with artistic expression, showcasing the potential for machines to contribute to the art world. In manufacturing, autonomous systems streamline production processes while maintaining high-quality standards, demonstrating their innovative capabilities. The entertainment industry also benefits, with machines designing intricate sets and even composing music. This blend of technology and creativity highlights how autonomous machines are transforming various fields, proving that they can perform tasks that are both functional and artistically inspiring. Visually stunning performances. Prepare to be captivated by high-quality footage of autonomous machines executing tasks with breathtaking precision. From robotic arms assembling intricate components to drones performing mesmerizing light shows, these visuals highlight the aesthetic appeal of machine performances. Each movement is a testament to the advanced technology that powers these machines, showcasing their capabilities in ways that are both functional and visually striking. As you watch, we'll provide engaging commentary on the innovative technologies behind these stunning displays, helping you appreciate the artistry and engineering that make these performances possible. Get ready for a visual journey that celebrates the beauty of precision in action. The future of autonomous precision. As we look ahead, the potential advancements in autonomous machine technology are truly exciting. Innovations in artificial intelligence and machine learning could further enhance precision, allowing machines to adapt and improve their performance in real time. These advancements could revolutionize industries such as healthcare, where precision in surgery and diagnostics is critical, and manufacturing, where efficiency and accuracy drive success. Imagine a future where machines not only execute tasks flawlessly, but also collaborate creatively with humans. This intersection of creativity and technology invites us to ponder the limitless possibilities ahead. What role will you play in shaping this future? Thanks for exploring the incredible world of autonomous machines with us. From artistic expression to industry-changing innovations, the possibilities are limitless. If you're excited about the future of automation and technology, be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into groundbreaking advancements. Hit the like button if you found this topic fascinating, and share this video with others who are curious about the tech shaping our world. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment on how you see autonomous machines evolving in the future. Want to keep exploring? Check out our other videos for more exciting insights into innovation and technology. Stay curious, stay inspired, and see you in the next video.